Hello and welcome. My name is David Fajardo, and today we're going to be looking at the Customer Experience Data Cloud in more detail. Retailers nowadays needs clear and consistency data. They're looking for a customer unified profile on which they can utilize to be used in many processes that retailers have nowadays. One of those processes could be utilize the unified profile of customers for the different channels that they utilize day by day. It is important to have a unified customer profile so they can utilize it in multi-channels along the way. Today, we're going to be looking at a customer, and we're going to be improving the data as well as the address details of this particular customer. It is important to have the address in their good shape because retailers need to have all this consistency data in order to create promotions or personalized marketing offerings for them. So let's have a look. So here is our sample customer, Chloe Smith. And first of all, there is a lot of master data, which is key for retailers to hold and improve on a day-by-day basis. We have the normal data, like the names, emails, and also the address, which we're going to be looking into it in more detail. As you notice, this customer doesn't have any address at the moment. So we're going to be adding an address, and at the same time, we're going to be through the process of validating this address and see how we improving the data quality of this particular customer and making sure that we have the right and complete address as expected. So let's add an address and see how this process of validation works. And we're ready to go. You notice automatically the system will tell us that this particular address is not yet validated. And what we're going to be doing right now is we're going to be using our validation data services to basically get the right accurate data for this particular customer. And by clicking on the validation address, we can see automatically that we have a response from Locate, which is our address validation service. But we are getting only a B score in this case. And we can improve even further this address by maybe changing parts of the address. And this is what I'm going to be looking to do right now. I know this particular customer lives in a flat. So let's see if we improve our address, adding this detail. Automatically, we can see that the address is fully completed. We have a fully workable address, standardized and ready to be used for the marketing teams to be able to make sure that all the marketing campaigns will be addressing the correct address for this particular customer. Also, at the same time, retailers are looking for making sure that when customers are accessing their website details on the web e-commerce solutions, the data regulations are in place. And this is very important because if we are looking for apply certain regulations like the CCPA in the US or the GDPR in Europe, then we need to make sure that we are applying the right regulations on the right customer profile. On here, we have 3 customer consents that we have already pre-configured for this particular customer, on which we can see that this particular customer has allowed us to use their data for marketing processing and financial processing as well. And they don't give us a consent for other activities besides those. This makes sure that we are applying the right consents to the right customer profiles. And in that way, we're going to have customers happy because they need to make sure that we are treating the data in the right way and in a consistent way, and overall in a secure environment.
Thanks for watching. If you want more content like this, subscribe to the Stibo Systems YouTube channel.